So I was trying to fly and see how bad it could be. The camera was tilted as if I'm on FPV mode, but not. There was a bit of wind though, but this drone is supposed to handle wind. The gimbal is also tilted round about 20-25 degrees to the left side. By the way, that's Nandi Hills. There are sudden bursts of pitch, but I was not doing anything. There's a jerk that was making the gimbal jump up or jump down and again come back. So I thought it could be because the gimbal was trying to settle down or set up. This shake was maddening. I could never imagine this kind of a video footage from the drone that I was shooting some and awesome videos. The camera, however, was doing its job very well. Clarity, recording of the footage, instant sync with my mobile. It was all perfect. Just that it is tilted and I was not able to control the pitch of the gimbal. It was like out of my control. And it was frightening that anytime I could lose control of my drone and it might crash without warning. I tried flying at night as well. Once again, quality of the video was just awesome, just fantastic. But the gimbal is tilted, no control on the pitch. In fact, the gimbal was not pitching up or down. The pitch scale on my mobile in the GoFly app was disabled. Well, that made me understand that the pitch signal was not reaching the motherboard, and every now and then the gimbal kept jerking and jumping either up or jumping down. I tried all possible ways to figure out all the problems, but this is primarily what I found. The camera was sending perfect video signals, but the motherboard was not having much of a control on the gimbal, and that is why I was not able to control the gimbal through my RTC. Well, that was the situation post crash, and after I replaced the new gimbal with the old broken gimbal. The new gimbal had a new camera as well.